So thank you very much, PJMT board, for having me here. And still I am surprised why I am here. Okay, but all thanks to Mamta. We were talking casually, and then she found that please be here, and I think that's why. So I am talking about me, that how I am here, how I have started, and maybe some of the things which you may feel in future, or you may face in future, which I have already faced it. So that is Grow, which is a company founded by me, started with the 2 people, now we are 67. We are working on mostly industrial projects and a few of the real estate projects as well. We are a team of 67 people, 840 plus projects, some of the softwares, and other than India, we are having a good footprints in Africa and some of the East Asia countries. So this is my story. And the tagline of my story is average is awesome. Okay, so we will talk about this average is awesome at the end. So, but that is my life, and that is average is awesome is the story. There are some lines which the situations which came across in my journey, and then we found that what you get is the best. But then we 70 percentage. At that time, the whole Bhuj, I am basically from Bhuj, so I was there in the building. The whole Bhuj is one thing. Every structural engineer is having a very huge demand. So everybody is asking for was अभी घर अच्छा बनाना चाहिए. You need a structural engineer for that. कोई भी BE civil वाला बंदा है, he will not design me for this thing, this, that. And then suddenly from the doctor, I have selected the civil. So from 90% from what was doctor का dream, and directly came with the civil funda, and today I am very, very happy about it. Very happy about it. शायद मैं डॉक्टर बना होता तो इतना अच्छे से ना कर पाया होता अपने करियर में जितना मैं अपने करियर में अभी स्ट्रक्चर में कर रहा हूँ. So whatever you get is the best. We should not feel anywhere that something is happened to us. This is meant to be. अभी ये अच्छा नहीं हुआ, क्या हो जाएगा जिंदगी में. सब कुछ एंड में अच्छा ही हो जाता है. If you will compare my right now, whatever life I am having, and if you will compare my grades which I was having in the BE civil, then you will वो structure से कर ही नहीं सकता. So whenever you are having your career, because जब आप एग्जाम देते हो तो काफी कुछ रट के जाना है. वो जो मेरे पास बुक्स अभी अवेलेबल है जो मेरे डेस्क पे, वो ले नहीं सकते थे. काफी कुछ याद रखना था जो अभी नहीं करना है. ये सॉफ्टवेयर आर अवेलेबल, जो मैनुअल चीजें करते थे वो भी नहीं करना है. So इंटरेस्ट होना ग्रेड के साथ कंपेयर नहीं करना चाहिए. देयर आर मेनी पीपल, वेरी स्टूडेंट्स आर कमिंग टू मी एंड सेइंग सर मुझे बहुत ज्यादा इंटरेस्ट है स्ट्रक्चर्स में. क्यों? आई एम हैविंग A+. अब वो इंटरेस्ट इन ग्रेड्स इन जनरल आई डोंट कंफ्यूज इट. Okay, so my advice, don't confuse your grade with your interest, and please do something where you are having your interest. Then it will be a lifelong journey. Okay, so after completing my master's, I have joined L&T, but before I have joined L&T, I have selected 2 professions which I have quit after. So in general, whenever you people are having, whenever you are starting your career, please give 1000 days to yourself. Please experience everything about your field and then decide what you want to do. Because till you are not experiencing, I was very happy with the site also on paper. But when I went to site, I thought कि बस नहीं होगा. I was very happy with the lectureship also. But then went to lectureship for 2nd and 3rd semester, ये भी नहीं हो रहा है. So then sometimes it is very good that you take your time, choose wisely, and then for the lifetime you can have the same career. Opportunities are all around and your eyes should be open. So what happened, I was eating somewhere and again I love to talk. So तभी नए कार्ड आए थे, विजिटिंग कार्ड L&T लिखा हुआ है, हितेश्वरा लिखा हुआ है. तो I was talking to somebody, boss, now अभी ये E1 E2 ग्रेड हो गया है, अभी मैनेजर बन जाएंगे, ये करेंगे, ये कर लेंगे. तो पीछे एक बंदा मुझे पूछता है, what are you doing? I'm a structural engineer. So what do? I am designing big structures because L&T is having a big oil and gas refineries. तो ये काम करो, ये मेरा मॉल है, उसमें बैंक आने वाली. अब बैंक आने वाली, they want to have a locker room. तो ये स्लैब ले लेगा या नहीं, ये मुझे बताओ. So give me the calculation or drawings or whatever, and I'll be able to tell you. So he sent me to his architect, which is Asil Talib Patel. first cousin to Sohiz Talib. I think Sohiz Talib is working here in Mumbai. He's the first cousin to Sohiz Talib. And in Baroda, they are the 50-year-old company. So a very good guy, a very happy guy. And I called him कि सर मुझे इसने बोला है मैं आपको मिलने आ रहा हूँ. तो ये आ जा अभी नहीं आ सकता. I am having L&T. So 1 से 2 लंच टाइम में आऊंगा. So I went to Asil sir. वो प्रोजेक्ट तो ठीक है साइड में रह गया, but that interaction went so well that he has offered me the first project of Vyom. So practically there was no connection, no PR, he was not knowing me or anything. It was just I was speaking something, somebody has called me and send me to him. And till today, I think we have done more than 45 projects with him. Still, he is a very good, and now he is a friend, a philosopher, whatever you say. He is an elder to me. But that opportunity is everywhere. One more thing, again, the biggest project of my career at that time, which is, I think, introduction that she mentioned, that Lakshmi Tuvardal. At that time, Lakshmi Tuvardal plant was 4 ton per day plant, was the biggest plant in Asia. We don't know about Tuvardal because it's daily hum log khate hain, but it is a very complex plant, which is having 500 ton of steel. That in general, a process of dal will take 10 days. आप आज 200 टन 100 टन डालते हो अंदर, सो देन 10वें दिन वो बाहर निकलती है. सो 1000 टन इज इन प्रोसेस. वो बंदे ने सिर्फ मुझे इतना ही दिखाया कि हम लोग L&T में हैं, कहीं पे काम कर रहे हैं, ये बंदा बहुत ही अच्छे से काम करता है. So I was not having office, I was not having anything. One bike, then is a backpack, and that person has offered me a project. We have said yes, and Vyom started. Vyom was on wheels. So there was, when we started Vyom, there was no connection, nothing, but obviously there was an opportunity and there, I grabbed it. Okay. Follow the heart and decide for yourself. So when I was leaving L&T, at that time the market was bad, 2011-12. So after the 2008 wala recession, real estate was not doing well. In the industries also things are not well. And when in my exit interview, my head of department has told me कि boss तुम बहुत बड़ी गलती कर रहे हो. आज यहाँ से जा रहे हो तो then I will make sure कि next time you will not be able to give any interview in L&T. So this was a warning or I don't know, whatever. And यहाँ पर ऐसा था कि वो decide हो गया. वहां पर भाड़े पे घर ले लिया है, 2 रूम है वहां पर, इंटीरियर भी हो गया है, तो अभी तो ये वापस तो नहीं जा सकते. सो आफ्टर बिकॉज आउट ऑफ 100 पीपल 95 पीपल हैव सेड कि बॉस ये नहीं होने वाला. यू आर नॉट हैविंग एनी बैकग्राउंड, यू आर नॉट हैविंग एनी कनेक्शंस, एंड यू आर सेइंग दैट यू आर गोना हैव योर ओन ऑफिस, व्हिच इज नॉट वर्किंग. But we have started with 2 people. There was no driver, there was no PM. If somebody is visiting my office, then I was sitting in my children's room. आगे ड्राइंग रूम में 2 बंदे बैठे हैं, there was a draftsman, and एक बंदा चाय लेने जाता है. I'll go to kitchen and I'll have a water. So started with them, started with that, and now we are doing good. I think we are 67 plus in less than, I think, 12 years. So it is always good to follow your heart rather than the warnings which is given by somebody else. Okay, don't doubt your dream. Sometimes it is possible that things cannot be, it is not happening on your time. But it will happen. It will happen 2 years later, 3 years later. I wanted to have an office. I have worked in L&T for 5 years. From first year, I was thinking कि बस ऑफिस करनी है, कैसे कर सकते हैं, कभी कुछ प्रोजेक्ट मिलेगा. मेरी सैलरी 50,000 है, तो मुझे कुछ ऐसा काम चाहिए जिसमें एटलीस्ट 50,000 सिक्योर हो जाए, मेरी लाइफ सिक्योर हो जाए, उसके बाद मैं कुछ करूं. सो वो स्लोली 5 साल लग गए, बट 5 साल के बाद व्योम हुआ और आज अच्छे से चल रहा है. इतने लोग साथ में जुड़े हुए हैं, अच्छे प्रोजेक्ट्स हम लोग कर रहे हैं. सो आजकल मैंने देखा हुआ है कि बच्चे बहुत ही पहले से प्री डिसाइडेड होते हैं. They know everything about it. They know every in and out about it. I was not knowing anything about my field. I was slowly going into the field and knowing. But यहाँ पर सबको सब कुछ पता है. There are people who are coming to me and saying, सर मुझे हाई राइज में काम करना है. There are people who are coming to me, सर मुझे सिर्फ इंफ्रा में काम करना है, रोड ब्रिजेस आप ये करते हो तो मैं आऊं. अब इतना क्यों इतना स्मॉल वेरो माइंड रखना चाहिए. हम लोग काम कर रहे हैं, opportunities will come, and उसके हिसाब से हम लोग आगे बात कर सकते हैं. So don't doubt your dreams. It will happen sooner or later. Okay, this is a very excellent line which I want to say it regularly. Please take small steps. Please don't aim very high. where you will take 10 years and 15 years to reach, and in the 10-15 years there is nothing like an achievement. Okay, please take small steps so you can have an achievement, then again set a new goal and again go higher. It is not needed कि सबको चांद पे जाना ही जाना है. बीच में बहुत सारी मंजिल है जहां पर भी अच्छे से काम हो सकता है, अच्छी फोटो आ सकते हैं. There is no problem in it. So please take small steps at a time, then automatically you will reach that place and you will be able to see something else जो नीचे से नहीं दिख रहा था. हम लोग जब फर्स्ट से थर्ड पे गए, थर्ड से फिफ्थ क्लियरली दिख रहा है जो एक से नहीं दिख रहा था. सो प्रैक्टिकली आई हैव नेवर प्लान माय लाइफ. इट इज जैसे आई वैसे ही आगे चल रही है. सो शुरुआत में जब पढ़ने आया था, द मैक्सिमम अर्निंग विच आई कैन थिंक ऑफ 10,000 पर मंथ. उससे ज्यादा सोच में भी नहीं थी और समझ में भी नहीं थी. उसके बाद LNT, तो LNT वॉज गुड, 3,500 वॉज ऑल्सो गुड. उसके बाद व्योम हुआ तो वो भी अच्छी चल रही है. सो आई थिंक इट इज गुड टू टेक स्मॉल स्टेप्स एट ए टाइम एंड डोंट एम वेरी हाई. ओके, सो दिस एवरेज इज ऑसम. आई कैन स्पीक 60 minutes for this, but I'll take 2 minutes. Okay, I always feel that if you want to be very successful, then you have to connect with the mass. You have to connect with the maximum people. You have to be on the other side of the table and then understand what that person is requirement is what. If you cannot do that, then things cannot work. And mass is what? Is average, right? There is 100 people where 20 is too super intelligent, 20 is below the mark, and there is a 60 is the mass where we have to connect. So in general, the people who are average, I have felt, or maybe because I am average, I felt they are the most successful people. So you don't have to be very intelligent. Sometimes it is good to be dumb. Sometimes it is very good to be dumb. And the other person should feel, especially, sir, you are an architect, so आपको पता है कि क्लाइंट कौन से ज्यादा पता होता है ना. एवरीबडी फेस के बस मैं आपको ब्रीफ दे रहा हूं, मुझे क्या बनाना है वही मैं ही बताने वाला हूं, और आप सिर्फ मुझे ड्राइंग बना के दो. And if at that time if we act smart, then we are out of the project. Okay, so it is very good to be dumb, or it is very good to be, the other person can feel you that you are dumb, you are not that smart. Okay, जो उसको भी कुछ समझा के चला जाएगा. And average में okay, I'll give you a small example also. When I was a teacher, a second semester of my masters, I was taking a lecture of strength of materials. Okay, because that college was not having enough hours, so they have taken a separate batch of 48 people who have a repeat subject. That strength of material is repeat to civil people, mechanical people, and some others, other people also. So all 48 students were in a repeat subject. They are having one time, they are having F. Okay, and I was their lecturer. I was also having D. Okay, when I learned this subject, I was having D. The other people are having F, and I am teaching them. I was able to understand that how they are having F. Okay, so I went to that level. I have tried to explain कि बॉस इनको ये समझो, मुझे भी नहीं आता था, शायद वही उनको समझ में नहीं आ रहा है. And in that semester, all 48 cleared. 8 people were having A, and 7 people were having B. That is just because I was able to be average. I was average. I know कि उनको क्या समझ में नहीं आ रहा है. So the same thing is happening in the life. ओके, यू हैव टू बी, आपके एम्प्लॉइज को क्या समझ में आ रहा है नहीं आ रहा है, आपके जो क्लाइंट है उनको क्या समझ में आ रहा है नहीं आ रहा है. इट इज अल्टीमेटली अ पीपल मैनेजमेंट. सो इफ यू वांट टू बी सक्सेसफुल, एवरेज इज रियली ऑसम. Okay, and if somebody is having average marks, average understanding, that is perfectly fine. That is perfectly fine. It means you will be the most successful people in the world. And people management, because there is a gap between the entrepreneurship and a businessman. And when you are traveling that path in entrepreneurship, you will be doing everything by yourself. You are the person who is getting the job, then you are the person who is doing the job, then you are the accountant, you are the marketing person, everything. And from entrepreneurship, when you are becoming a businessman, when some other people are working for you, at that time, this is the thing. You have to manage the people. That can be your employee, that can be your client, that can be your associates. You have to learn that how to manage people, and then it can be the key to success. a single small line. Be focused on your path, growth path. There are so many things will come in the way. Okay, so many people will talk to you about this. ये भी कर ले, ये भी कर ले, ये भी कर ले. But please, जो चीज चालू की है, वो at least for first 5 years, do something for the only that core thing. Then slowly you can do a backward integration or forward integration, which can add some value to your. Okay, make your business expandable and keep the hunger alive. Okay. So every time we feel कि बस अब बिल्डिंग बना ले, बहुत सारे वही केवल सर आपको सबसे ज्यादा कनेक्ट होगा कि वही चीज आ रही है तो क्या कर सकते हो. देन यू एड समथिंग, देन यू टेक अ चैलेंज, देन यू टेक. हमने एक बिल्डिंग अभी आई थिंक 3 साल पहले एक बिल्डिंग बनाया था जिसको हम लोग लंदन गए थे. वी गॉट अवार्ड फॉर दैट एंड इट वाज हैविंग रैकिंग कॉलम्स. तो ऑल ऊपर के 22 कॉलम्स आर हैविंग अ 45 डिग्री इंक्लाइन एंड इट इज टेकिंग अ लोड. सो देयर आर पीपल वर सेइंग कि ये नहीं होने वाला. हम वहां पर शटरिंग खोल रहे हैं तो लोग पूछ रहे हैं कि वो गिर जाएगा, ये होगा वो होगा, बट इट इज स्टैंडिंग वेरी नाइसली. इट गॉट अ अवार्ड एंड द सेम थिंग विच हैपन इन वन ऑफ द सूरत प्रोजेक्ट 55 फीट कैंटिलीवर वी डिड. सो ये सब चीजें जब आपको बहुत ही बोर कर रहा हो तो एटलीस्ट 20% प्रोजेक्ट शुड बी देयर वेयर यू कैन से दैट योर हंगर शुड बी अलाइव फॉर योर कोर सब्जेक्ट. प्लीज हैव अ मेंटर. प्लीज हैव वन मेंटर जो आपको कुछ भी बोले तो सच मान लो. There will be at least one person who will be saying, who is thinking very good about you, who will be there for you at any time, any place. And वो जब आपके लिए कुछ करे तो प्लीज उसको ज्यादा कुछ लॉजिक लगाए बिना मान लो. Seriously, I have done with him. He is a Suman sir. He is my professor, Suman B Patel. Right now also he is a professor to BVM College and he is a structural engineer, IITM. And he told me every boss ये करना है. I was not ready to do it in L&T, these, that. हर जगह जहां पे अटकाओ, then he was the person who has guided me very well. So please please have a mentor. That's all, guys. This is the thing which I was talking about. Thank you very much.